What's good, fellas? We're back with another video. It's Double Life with House of Views. We're at my crib. Today I'm going to teach you how to EQ your melodies so you can put 808s on them. So let's get right into it. Just gonna master myself real quick. Alright, pull up the HOVRec. So we got our melody kind of laid out now. I'm gonna make one more channel. I'm gonna do this pitched up version for like the chorus. To EQ it for 808s, I just drag the low parts down. And you can stack EQs as well, just to
motherfucking down.
Totally cut out the low frequencies so the 808s don't clash with it. I'm just gonna do that for all the different tracks of the melody. So what I pretty much did again is, you see these two markers at the end of each EQ. You want to use the parametric EQ too. I'm assuming you're using FL if you're watching this video. You see these 2 points down here. This is at the low end, the low frequencies of the preset that you have, which is loaded into the mixer track. Mixer track 1, we're on HOVRec. I assigned it to mixer track 1 through here. We go into the mixer bank, open an EQ. Take a look at your low end markers in the EQ and you just drag them down so you cut out the low frequencies in the note.
Brother. Hold on, man. Hold on. Work shoes, I know, man. You worked a long time.
I'm gonna play the melody without the EQs and you guys tell me if you can hear the difference. I'm just gonna take off my EQs by pressing the dot right next to it on the mixer track channel. My bad.
Music. Bad bitch music.
What I'm hearing, it just feels more muddy and you can't really hear the 808s as well. It kind of all sort of blends more together in a bad way. So I'm going to put the EQs back on and play it.
Music. Bad bitch music.
You can just hear the 808s more clearly. Just take the low frequencies out of your melody and you can hear the 808s more clearly. Somebody's doom scrolling in the back of my video, my apologies. But that is pretty much how you do it. Make sure if you're in Milwaukee, come book a session with us at House of Views Recording. This has been Double Life. Peace.
Bad bitch music. Music.